Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to share with you this Volkswagen Tiguan. The Tiguan comes with a 2-litre TDI 190PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It's finished in a gorgeous pearlescent deep black and offers some exceptional exterior features such as the silver roof rails and swivelling towbar. To the side, you can see the stylish 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels that adds to the sporty look of the car, and to the front you can find the LED headlights with daytime running lights that provide great visibility all day round. Around the rear, you'll find the reversing sensors that help manoeuvring via audio cues. Coming into the boot, you'll find that the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats, privacy screen, and shopping bag hooks. Into the rear seating, you'll see the interior has the lovely Titan black Vienna leather upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination, ISOFIX mounting points, a foldable table, and you'll also find your vent controls for temperature adjustment and USB ports for device charging. Coming into the cockpit, and you'll find the front leather padded seats that guarantee comfort with every drive and features electronic adjustment. You'll also find cup holders and plenty of storage inside the adjustable armrest. To the front you'll find phone storage and USB ports. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include audio, telephone, vehicle status, driving data, assist systems and navigation. Moving on to the infotainment system, radio allows you to tune into FM and DAB channels. Media offers various ways to play media such as aux and Bluetooth. The car also has AndroidAuto and Apple CarPlay. Telephone allows you to connect your phone for hands-free use. Vehicle shows the settings available for the car and can provide driving data. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Traffic can provide you with updates with traffic in the local area. Sound allows you to change the equalizer settings for your speakers. Driver profile selection is available for the car, enhancing the feel of your drive. The car is equipped with front and rear parking sensors, helping you park up with ease. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, LED reading light and controls for the panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.